Hey guys, happy Halloween season. All right. So as you know, I'm like way behind. So this is gonna be, well, maybe it's gonna be a fast Halloween card. We'll see. Um, but we're trying to do like a haunted typewriter here. So I'm going to move all these things off. I just kind of wanted you to see where my mind was going with that. Um, and I think we're gonna use um some distress ink. I don't know though. I kind of want the hands. Kind of want the hands to be red. It's orange. That's close enough. Um, hmm, I don't know. Let's go around this a little bit with the black, I think, and then we'll just see how it goes. If we don't like it, I have already embossed a couple other cards because I want to do several in this style, so we can do that. And actually, you know what? Let me change that plan because this is working. It's picking up. Some embossing folders emboss quite a bit and some don't, but these are pretty high. So I think I can get some like little bloody handprints. This reminds me, I swear, of a dream I had. Like bloody handprints coming out of the wall, and they were like coming to, I guess, suck you in. I don't know. Freaky little dream. Still remember it. It's been a long time, but so hopefully I made it, or maybe I don't know, maybe I was sucked in. I'm there in the darkness. Who knows? And I'm doing the card from the dark side. Um. Anyway, I'm being silly, but so I am behind on all my Halloween stuff I want to do. Things have just been really busy at work and all that stuff, and did not realize that would take quite so long this year with all the crazy corona stuff going on. To me, that looks more orange than red, but I guess that's gonna have to be okay. So yeah, just been getting back to work and all that entails. It's always busy, even on a good time, but this has been exceptionally insane. So, but it is what it is. Alright, I don't know. Maybe. I really wanted that to be red, but I think I'll probably have to use a white background if I want to go with the red. My little cousin sent me a picture. Well, actually, her grandmother sent me the picture. They took haunted picture. No, what you call them? Dark pictures. Dark pictures. And her grandmother was calling them Halloween, but she's like, no, I stand corrected. Abby said they were dark pictures. And she does. She looks very goth. And the little goth girl, she's so cute. And she's only in, let's see, second grade this year. And, but anyway, so when she got them back, she's like, "Oh, Mama, they're perfect. I look dark and beautiful." And so, anyway, she loves Halloween too. Now I know who to leave all my creepy decor to one day. I kind of wish that I could have a party this year, but you know how I'm a little anti people with the COVID-19 there. But just for her, and she could help me decorate and all that good stuff. But she's so sweet. Well, her brother, he's sweet too, but in a different way. He's wide open, and she's just delicate, and I don't know. All right, so I'm thinking of what we're gonna stamp on here, like we're writing the story. We've got a strange story, or we've got um, hmm, things are not what they seem, and then how about that? An unfortunate ending. Let's try that. There are some really good sayings on this kind of knockoff Tim Holtz. Oh my gosh, is that gonna fit? Okay, just little. I mean, like just barely. Let me do it on up here a little bit. If it doesn't fit, we'll just go with the other one, right? Easy choice. No, don't. Oh gosh, I hate when it does that. Maybe I'll just use that one. Stay, stay, stay. No, I feel like it's not straight. I don't guess it really matters. On a haunted, creepy card, it's not gonna, that's not what you're gonna be paying attention to. Now I can't find any black ink. Here we go. So, have you guys been getting into the spirit of the holiday yet? It's a little bit different this time because, I don't know, I think they're going to cancel, like, Trick or Treat in our town. I'm not 100% sure. So I won't be decorating, I guess, the outside much. I'll probably still buy a pumpkin or two and do that, but, and then at school, I don't think we're going to be doing anything, and because we can't have any visitors or anything, and, like, literally none. Even the union reps the other day, principal's hardcore about that. Let's see, I guess I'll just do it in black. You know what? I think I'm going to use this, though. Or this. I'm all over the place. Alright, so this is just the vintage photo. I'm going to use one of these brushes. Just so it's sort of like aged paper instead of the black. Anyway, they brought us pepperoni rolls for lunch, and, you know, trying to get you to join the union and all that good stuff, and calendars and whatnot. And, but one of the guys needed to go to the bathroom. They had to sit up on the little field, and he wouldn't let me go to the bathroom or anything, so we're not having any visitors. But, so, okay, so that needs a little bit more. I can't, I can't do it and talk for some reason tonight. Anyway, guys. So, are you guys going to dress up? Do you do something with your friends or family or anything? Alright, so I'm going to glue this part on. I think, you know what, I believe that we can pop dot that. Just to give it like a little bit of a raised effect. We won't need much. So I don't want it to show. I think that'll be okay. I'm gonna need a little tiny piece right there, I believe. Okay, so anyway, so are you doing any Halloween crafting? It's still too big. In my mind, I've been crafting up a storm, but in reality, not so much. But I do still have lots of cards planned. They're just going to be, you know, coming up, I suppose. I hope, at least. I just need one solid weekend. I actually hadn't planned on going anywhere really this weekend. And then I needed brake pads and things for my car. So I ended up going out, and then that turned into some shopping and whatnot. And then the next night was, I swear all we do is have a fire anymore. We had a fire at my fiance's house, and we're getting old and typical. Alright, so I cut out these little memory box bats just so, you know, it would have a little something. We'll try a few of those around and see what we think. I have all different sizes. I like to do things in threes. Yeah, maybe should I do it all? Yeah. Okay, maybe not the big guy. I'm dropping them. They're kind of little to hang on to. Maybe one there, and a little tiny one in the middle. He's just learning to fly. He's a baby bat. Okay, that works. I still want to add just a hint of black around this, I believe. I hate to get my little sponge black, but black is the hardest color to get off, I feel like, of your sponge brush or whatever you call it. It's not really sponge. Blender brush, I guess is what they call them. That's what I could do. I could use this one again and edge it better. Anyway, when I was in Walmart the other night, I saw some earrings that they had the little Halloween jewelry section, which somehow I resisted. And the earrings spelled out boo. They had like B-O-O hanging down on one of those stupid earrings so bad. And they were only like $5, but I resisted. It was hard. I swear, it really is hard for me to resist Halloween stuff. I was like, okay, breathe through it. You can walk away. You can do it. And I did it. Wasn't real happy about it, but I did it. Okay, so now I do want the spooky hands on it. These are from, let me show you this. This is from, what's it called? It's out on AliExpress, but it's, Alina Craft, her store. I really like it. This is, I think, a knockoff of Tim Holtz's typewriter. And then these are from AliExpress as well. It's got like a little candy and a little spider web ring. And getting out my Halloween jewelry finally. And then here are the hands we're using. So, alright. So see, to me these look too stark white, except, I mean, like skeleton hands, what color are they going to be, you know? So, but I swear I'm tempted to make them like purple or something. I did cut more. Let's just try one set in purple and see what we think. Punch that little bit out. Let's try them in purple. It just seems, I don't know, that stark white, like if it was a ghost, but then, you know, I mean, people would get it. Skeletons are typically white, I suppose. But I really like purple. Purple's my favorite color, so. Okay. This is called Wilted Violet, and it's just the regular Distress ink, but I do think it's a really pretty purple. So let's kind of, and I want to put some glossy accents on them. Alright, so which ones do you guys think? I think I'll do one card with one and one card with white, and you guys vote and let me know which ones you think. So for now, I'll just do the white. I need to, alright, I gotta get some tape on this bad boy. We could probably do the story of, I should put, it was a scary year. It was 2020. Because I'm telling you guys, it's terrifying the hell out of me. Don't know about you guys, but corona deaths every day. The world's about to collapse economy-wise, and scary stuff. A lot of life-changing events there. So I'm going to put one little tiny piece. It's not tiny enough. Well, I can fold it in. All right. But anyway, yeah, 2020 is scary. I want it to go on down the road, get out of my life, and move on to 2021. Hopefully, can't be as bad, right? Careful what you say. All right, so I'm still thinking about putting a bit of puffy tape behind this. Let's see here. So if I put that about there, and there's the phone. Actually, nobody can leave a message because the machine is full. Well, it's just the uncle again. He'll call back. He always does. I think he already called once today. He's bored with nothing to do, so. Uh-oh, that's not gonna work. Oh, don't mess it up. Okay. Come on. It's sticking. Yeah, it's just gonna run and say the name because there's no room for it to pick up. Maybe he'll get tired soon and hang up. I'll go clear that thing soon. Okay. Alright, so oh my gosh, he's calling back. Come on, dude. I guess because the machine ain't picked up anything, so we're here. So, it's not here, buddy. Not here. Okay, so I definitely want to put. I wish I had. See how it's facing the same way? Honestly, you need it the other way, but I guess nobody's really going to notice. Okay. It's driving me crazy. It won't stop. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and glue the bats. I'm pretty sure I want the bats there. Alright, hopefully twice was enough for him to call. Okay. It's going to be hard to glue this little tiny one here. So, we got it though. Yay. Try not to cover up the hands. You want it to, you know, see the hands. I hope 2020 doesn't have an unfortunate ending. Elections coming up. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I can't wait for that to just be over. But we'll see. Got to send my jury duty paper back. That's another thing that's not fun about right now. Got called for jury duty again. Like, didn't I just do that not long ago? I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what year it was, but it seems like it has not been all that long. But maybe not. I'm going to try to use my terrifiedness, that's not a word, but anyway, of corona, or COVID, I guess, and get out of that. We'll see how it goes. Sad part is the judge that I would probably be in there with knows me, and I don't know, I think he just wants you to come over sometimes. He's a real talker. But anyway. Okay. One time I wrote a letter, I got it in the summer, and I was just like, please, you know, your wife is in the school system as well, you know, that's all, because I thought, I don't even have an excuse right now, like, I've got nothing, so I just went with the truth, and, the summer's all we've got, please, don't take it away from me. and he didn't, so that time I did get off, but all right. So yes, I pre-needled this, the glossy accents. So anyway, hopefully this will be a little more interesting. I know it's not when you guys will see it, but when it dries, it's better. It kind of dries or goes on like a yellowish, which honestly, if it stayed that color, it wouldn't be so bad, because the stark white is kind of what I didn't really like against the orange and stuff anyway. I do have a Halloween clothing haul to show you guys soon. I have to go to the dentist this Wednesday, and thinking about wearing a Halloween shirt there, because I decided to take the whole day off work. I'm excited, and just kind of enjoy the day, do some other things and errands. And it's so hard when you're working that everything is open the same hours. Like, why can't we all just have one day where everybody stays late or everybody's open, and it's a different day or something, but just get your regular daytime stuff done. It is so hard to go to the bank. Oh my gosh, if you really need to actually physically go to the bank, you have to go on Friday, or hope that you get out of work in time to make it by 6 on Friday. But that's doing a little bit better. I'm getting out a little bit earlier at work now, but not much. But I know you gotta kind of just say no, it's my own fault. But it's very hard. There's just so much to do, and then, or you're doing everybody else's whatever they need, and then you do your own stuff late. So, but you gotta set boundaries. I'm gonna work on that this year. Try to say no. Okay, so here we go. This is their spooky story card, Once Upon a Time. So hopefully these will dry and it'll be all cool. And you know what? I wanted to put this on the inside. I can still do that, I believe. Just get that. So I hope you guys are getting your Halloween groove on. And one of the things I haven't seen, which is good, I haven't seen too many wonderful stamp sets for Halloween out this year that I want. Everything's sticking to me. Which is, good for the wallet, but not so awful many. Simon Says did come out with a cute little, it's like a spooky bus or something. I saw that the other day, but I missed the whole kit, and I kind of wanted the whole kit, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get just the set or not. And I'm not going to have time to even use the ones I've got, so I'll probably just stick with those. But I'm kind of glad. Oh no, oh no, oh no, no. Oh no. Okay, so now I need to redo this for just a second. I squished the hand a little under something there. But that's not a problem. I'll just smush it back on there. It'll be fine. The glossy accent, it doesn't really run. I mean, it stays pretty well. So, unless you do something stupid like I just did, it's not going to run. So, that's nice. Oh my God. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. Look at this. I've got to start thinking. This is not the side you would write on. This is the right side, but now that side has tape on it. Brilliant. Well. We'll just go with that side. It'll be fine. Alright. So here we go, guys. Now, alright. So hopefully you guys have a very fortunate ending and not an unfortunate one like this poor guy. But, so happy Halloween, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye, y'all.